Hey guys, so today I'll be taking you to view apartments with me. I actually recorded these videos a few months ago, but I never got around to uploading them. So yeah, these apartments are all one bedroom apartments. They're on the smaller side, and these are located in northern New Jersey, Essex County. So this is the first apartment, and I'm just showing you guys the kitchen. So the kitchen is more of a kitchenette. It's very small. It has the make of more of a studio apartment. So you see that the stove or the range, which is the stove and the oven, is very tiny, like a studio apartment would have. But they have a good amount of cabinet space. So they have the long cabinet right there, which would be good to store brooms, dustpans, and mops. And then on the top, you can store your food. And then they have the open windows, which is nice. And this is the living room area or the front room. It does have some older touches to it. Sorry about the background noise. They have some older touches, like you see the radiator is exposed, but they do have a few modern touches as well. Then we have a small closet where you can store whatever you want to store. Maybe you want to store your winter coats in here and some boots, maybe. And that's the front door. And then we have another closet, which is located near the bathroom, where people normally would store their like towels, cloths, and maybe like paper towels and tissue or cleaning products. And then we have the bathroom, and the bathroom is on the small side. So when you go in, you see what you normally see in the bathroom, the mirror, toilet, sink, tub. So it does have a tub and a shower. It's not a stand-up shower, which is good for some people. Sometimes you might want to take a bath. So it is like on the older side, but I do like the white tiles, and it has a small window inside. I feel like it's always good to have a window in the bathroom just in case you need that. It's too steamy in the bathroom when you're taking a shower, or you need some fresh air to come in after making a bowel movement. And then you have the storage space underneath the sink, and then you have a radiator in there as well, and that's like an older touch too. And then you have the bathroom, which is on a smaller side, but it's a decent size. And then you have the closet. Not sure if that was considered a walk-in closet, but you have a closet in there where you could have enough space to hang up your stuff and put stuff on the top and bottom. They have a rack right there, and I do like the floors. So the floors are hardwood floors. There's gray walls. I kind of like the gray walls. So yeah, these apartments aren't luxury or aren't the most modern, but it's like it's not too old looking. So this is apartment number 2. And when you come in, you see the living space. So this was under construction, so they had the refrigerators in there. I believe they were swapping the white refrigerator out for the other one that looks blue. I think that's just blue because of the tape that they have on it, just like if you get a new sink, it's blue. And I do like the floors. It's hardwood floors, and then this has like a similar color on the walls to the other apartment. And then you have another small kitchen, but it's a little different. You can actually walk inside of the kitchen, like it has like a pathway, I guess, or it's kind of like a room almost. And then I did like the floors. The floors was nice and modern. You see, it's just like a regular kitchen, but then you see on the cabinet at the top, I was trying to show you guys, they have that where you could put your spices. I thought that was cool. But this range is way bigger. So the stove and oven is way bigger than the first apartment. And yeah, you see, you can store your spices in that little space right there on the cabinet. So that's really cool. So you can easily grab your spices and it won't get all over the place, because sometimes when you store your spices in the regular cabinet, it's hard to find and they go all over the place. So this was the kitchen and the living area. And then we have a closet right here in the hallway. And again, you can do whatever you want with that. Maybe hanging jackets. That's probably something I would do. And then you have the pantry closet. I guess you can call it a pantry, where you can store towels, washcloths, and things like that. And here is the bathroom. So very traditional bathroom. Like the other one, it's a tub and shower combo. So it's not a stand-up shower. It looks very similar to the first bathroom in the first apartment. And then you have the bedroom. I believe the bedrooms were about the same size. One of these apartments were bigger than the other as far as square footage. I can't remember which one. Maybe this one was the bigger one. Yeah, I think this one was actually the bigger apartment, because the kitchen is a bit bigger. And I think maybe this bedroom may have been a bit bigger as well. But the first one had a pretty big or pretty good size living space area, which you can even make into a second bedroom. And then we have the walk-in closet. I believe this one had double closet space. Yes, it has double closet space, so two closets. These apartments are located, I believe this was the Bloomfield area. So although they're not luxury, they are about the same price as you would get a luxury apartment, or close to a luxury apartment in like a lower end area of New Jersey, northern Essex County, New Jersey. So the area is very nice though. I love this outside neighborhood. It's so beautiful. This is the next apartment right here, the last one. And let me get back to talking about the area. The area was very beautiful, very peaceful. It's just that the apartments they're pretty like decent, but they're not luxury. Like you'll see all these luxury apartments on YouTube. They're not luxury, but you have the convenience of living in a nice area and just being in a nice, beautiful neighborhood. And you have a decent apartment, a pretty nice looking apartment. It's just not super, not as modern as a lot of other apartments. So the price range was pretty good for that. This was under construction. I didn't like the bathroom too much, because it's pink. I don't like pink towels, and it's pink and black at that. So they had that, but it was under construction. They were still doing the bathroom. So it's similar build, but the bathroom has the pink and black tile. And then we have the bedroom with the double closets, but the closets are a little bit smaller than the first. Then you have the living room area, and I love that there's stairs to come inside like you have your own little home. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.